and half crippled tomorrow. I forgot my phone.
Oh, they're so cool like this, though.
I know. Oh, Cash. Look at Diesel's stride, man. He just covered some ground, don't he?
Diablo's still not coming any closer.
It's like, aren't you glad you're not on him when they're doing all these fancy moves?
Yeah.
Is that? Oh, that's the Arabian gelding. Okay.
Yeah,
I was
so
like, is
same,
that big
like-
boy? Oh, this is great. I wish I would have my camera.
Come on, Diablo! Oh, look at him again. Holy crap, Diablo!
Look at him haul. Look at him go! Have you ever seen him move so fast? Whoa, what's he? Look at him all. Woo! Woo!
Come here, Diablo!
They're so
Hi, big
funny.
boy.
Yeah, nobody
Yeah,
go
the
through the
breath
fence,
now,
please.
I know it. Hey, they're tired.
Yeah.
They're like, what a workout.
I know, really. Now who's that? Oh, that's dude. And that
Look at the Arabian gelding.
Yeah. You know, he's a good-looking gelding, isn't
Yeah,
he?
he is.
I hope she lets his mane grow out.
I know, he'll look good.
Yeah. Soldier's like, man, you guys are working too hard. I just would rather watch.